Hi everyone, Ms. Stillman here. This is the homework 6 key. In question 1, we're asked to find the perimeter of triangle DEF if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So we have ABC with all the numbers on it. That's our pre-image because we're looking for DEF. That's our image. The only side we know about DE is 9, and it matches AB. That's 6. You can know that based on the position of the sides and also the letters DE and AB. Now, scale factor is image over pre-image. Well, the image number is the 9 over the pre-image number 6. 9 over 6 reduces to 3 over 2, or 1.5. Now, if we're looking for the perimeter, we take the original perimeter of 36, and we're going to scale it by that exact scale factor 3 over 2, which is 54. Okay, in the next question, we're asked to find the, find the scale factor of the areas. We just want the scale factor. Well, we're told that the first trapezoid is the pre-image, and that means the second trapezoid is the image. Scale factor is image over pre-image. Well, the only number we have on this image is 5, and the only matching number on the pre-image is 2. So it is 5 over 2. In the question down below, we're asked about the perimeter and the area, and it's multiple choice, with the area being different numbers and the perimeter being different numbers. We should always find the image and the pre-image. The pre-image is the LTN triangle that we have the area of 8 and the perimeter of 20. That's why I put the perimeter starting as 20 and the area starting as 8. Now each one of those is being dilated by the scale factor of 1/4. What's important to know is when do you just use that scale factor of 1/4 and when you have to square it. Well, when you do perimeter, you just put in the 1/4. When you multiply, you get 5. When you do the area, it's not just 1/4, it's 1/4 squared. When you calculate that, it's 0.5 or a half. If we come to our multiple choice, the area is a half and the perimeter is 5. On the next page, we're doing a question where the triangles are on top of each other. In triangle ABC, line segment DE connects two sides of the triangle and is parallel. Parallel is very nice. That's going to create similar triangles to line segment BC. If the area of triangle ABC is 54 and the scale factor is 1/3, find the area of triangle ADE. Well, we know the area of ABC, so that whole triangle is the pre-image with an area of 54. We don't know ADE, that's why it's the image. In this question, it's an area question, so you take the scale factor and square it. 1/3 squared times 54 is 6. In number 5, the two triangles are similar. We know the area of this triangle. There we go. That's the pre-image. The other one's the image. What we're looking for is the image. I just put a little line so you would not get confused. This is pre-image, this is image. Scale factor, image over pre-image. So we take the only numbers we know match for sure. These match. They correspond. The 13 and 17 somehow have to go into the scale factor. Well, it's image of 13 over pre-image of 17. And we make sure that we use that number when we scale the areas. 13 over 17, but square it. Times the 54, you get 31.578, ... And you get that rounded to the nearest 10th, 31.6. On the last question, we don't have a diagram, so maybe drawing diagrams like I did will be helpful. Two similar triangles with corresponding sides of 3 and 7. Those are the matching sides that we know match up. Find the area of the smaller triangle if the area of the larger triangle is 98 inches squared. Well, I've already drawn the area of the smaller triangle as unknown, and I put that one first. So even though I'm looking for it, and I drew it first, it's still image. I'm looking for it. Then over here, the larger triangle is what we know the area of. That's the pre-image. Image of 3 over pre-image of 7, 3 over 7. Well, when we're looking for area, you take the scale factor and square it. So 3/7 squared times 98 is 18, and there you have it.